Wow, my friend, check this out. Lot of muddy car here. Okay, don't wait. Let's go, my friend. Okay, let's go. Alright. Oh, so interesting, my friend. Which one do you like to go first, my friend? Alright, how about this one, my friend? Well, what is this? This is kind of a truck, my friend. Okay, let's clean up.
Upon the sea, the open road is made for trucks.
Amazing, my friend. Look at this. Okay, stay here, my friend. Okay, and then what else, my friend? This one. Okay, let's go. Check this out, my friend. Alright, make win. This could be the next, my friend. What is this? Alright, let's see, my friend. Wow, amazing dump truck. Beautiful, my friend. Stay here, guys. Alright. Well, what else, my friend? Oh my goodness. Looks so muddy. No problem, let's go. Alright. This is a police car, my friend. White color. Alright, stay here. Okay, what is this? Let's see, my friend. Wow, amazing. This is a loader, my friend. Okay, stay here, loader. And then we are going to go with this one, my friend. Cool, my friend. Look at this Molen truck. Alright, very good. Stay there, Molen truck. And what else, my friend? This one, what is this? Going to fly, my friend. Alright. Hello, Captain. This is your captain speaking. Alright. Boeing, an aeroplane. Stay there. Alright, what is this? This is kind of a rally car, my friend. Need a very good driver for this. Speed up, my friend. Alright, stay there. Wow. This is the huge truck, my friend. Check this out, my friend. Giant truck. Okay, stay there. And this Swiss. Alright, what is this, my friend? Yellow color, double cabin.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots on.
Okay, so good. Very nice. Alright. Wow. This is the red color. Wow, look at this. Beautiful color. Rally car. Okay, stay here. And what else, my friend? Look at this. This is kind of bus. Wow, jiggy jaggy jag, jiggy jaggy jag, jiggy jaggy jag, tayo, jiggy jaggy jag.
Are you trying to protect the culprit?
No, I'm not.
Haha, good. Okay, and this one, what is this? Alright, let's see, my friend. Clean already. This is a fire rescue, my friend. Okay, very strong, my friend. Okay, I found you another tayo. Red color tayo.
Anna, give him a shot that's a super strong and throw these sparks.
Jiggy jag, jiggy jaggy jag. Okay, stay there. And this one, what is this, my friend? Okay, let's see, my friend. Okay, this is a snow tractor. Oh, very nice. And this one, this is a big truck, my friend, for mining. Dump truck. Hey, so cool. Okay, this is what is this? Compactor. Wow, nice. This compactor. Okay. Wow, check this out. The last one, my friend. What is this? Wow, hola Serif, ¿cómo está Serif? How's everything going, Serif? Okay, join here, Serif. Done, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.